Welcome to the SAP Business One usability series on map services. Map services enable you to locate business partners and warehouses on maps using external web browsers. Currently, SAP Business One predefines two map services for users, Google Map and Microsoft Bing Map. To specify a web map you want to use, from the SAP Business One main menu, choose Administration, System Initialization, General Settings, and then navigate to the Services tab. From the Map Service drop-down menu list, you can then select the map service that you want to use. This setting is per company, and your choice here affects all other users' settings. You can also define a new map service which will then appear in the drop-down menu list. By selecting Define New, under the Map Services Setup window, you can specify the name of the map service and then you can specify the URL. A query URL is a URL structure to specify a location search in web map services. Query URL uses necessary parameters to extract address data from the SAP Business One database and displays the search results in a web browser. To build a query URL, you first need to obtain the base URL structure and then the method for adding parameters to the URL. And then you simply add parameters to the URL, such as the name, address name, street, block, county, state, or country, for example. So now when locating a business partner, we're going to navigate to the Business Partner Master Data menu. We then locate the business partner that you want to find. By selecting the Addresses tab, we then can simply click on Show Location in the web browser if a Ship To or Bill To address has been defined. When locating a warehouse, in the Warehouses Setup window, we can locate the warehouse that we want to find again by simply clicking on the Show Location in Web Browser link. A web browser then appears with the location of the warehouse displayed in a web map.